up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
We've got some new products to try out on the record.
Yeah, so we got hit up by LED Factory. We're gonna test out their rock lights. So let's open them up. We'll have Clancy do it.
All right. I'm excited to see what these are like. I've always wanted rock lights, never took the time to actually install any. I've bought multiple sets and never put them on, and then I return them. So hopefully these ones are pre-wired, easy to install. So at night we can look extra cool and see the terrain we're going over when we're recovering people. Another special thing is we're going to be at the Utah Auto Expo next week. So we're just trying to spruce up the old record to be on the show.
All right, what do we got here?
We got stickers. You gotta have stickers. Oh, how many? Oh, these are the templates for drilling and sealing the back. Oh, it's nice.
Comes with templates and everything, huh?
And sticky templates too, so they hold themselves there.
All right, and they come
I have
with
to actually read the instructions.
comes with the Bluetooth app for your phone, which is gonna be awesome.
Got a little knot there. Just kidding.
What's the quality look like so far?
You're the LED expert, I feel.
Oh, dude, let me weigh these. Let me weigh them. Well, so far so good. They do got a little weight to them, but the true test is gonna be in a minute when we turn them on, huh? See how bright they are.
Yeah.
So
it looks like they click together, which is nice.
that's awesome. Hopefully that makes for an easy install because we got a big rig to throw them on.
Yeah.
So
Got a lot of real estate underneath this thing.
we will figure it out.
But we have good locations already figured out, so we get optimal lighting. And this is the most lit rig we have already, so might as well add some more.
Oh yeah.
Before we get all drill happy, we're gonna lay out the wiring on top in a rough fashion to make sure the wires are gonna reach to where we want the lights to be. And then we'll drill and mount the lights and route the wiring better.
Yeah, so it did come with a couple of these extenders, which might have to be for these lights at the very back or the ones at the very front. So take your time, figure out your lengths. All right, I think Clancy's got them laid out.
Yep, we got them where we want them.
Your wire's gonna reach?
I hope so, I believe so. Estimated guess is yes.
Yep, so now, once you got them all laid out where you want them, we'll go ahead and start attaching them. They did send some hardware, let's go check that out. They sent these little nuts and bolts with the little Allen head. And that's what we're gonna attach them with. Or you can attach them with that. We're probably gonna use a mixture of these and some self-tappers just because of the truck. And it already has some that we might end up using on the back side where these lights are gonna go. So once you figure out where you're gonna want those attached, we'll go ahead and start running wires and plugging everything in. Woo, that was dusty. All right, so for our application, I went ahead and drilled those little holes. And that's gonna be for our ends to fit down. One on each side. And that way we can feed our wires down and underneath the frame so you don't see them. All right, so you guys probably just saw me struggling. The hard part is putting the nut on the back side of these things. The nuts are just little teeny tiny things. So, yeah, that's what I'm struggling with. Lucky for us, LED Factory sends these extension kits with their, or extension cable, I don't know what they are, with their kits, because as you can see down here, our wire only reaches till right there. And we gotta make it to that bundle right there. So we're gonna use this extender and we'll run our wires all the way to the front. I already put one in right here. running it inside the frame rail, and now our wire is gonna reach. So we'll carry on running the wires and we'll show you when they're all plugged in. So we got our lights in there, and under the front. Now we just gotta plug them in.
Plug it in, plug it in. Is that copyrighted?
I hope not. It's just that simple, huh, Clancy?
Yep, just snap it together. It's like a mess right now. But it's not that hard.
All we'll have to do to finish is wire this in. You got your negative and your positive and your negative, and your off and on switch, and then it should be app controlled. So we'll show you that in a minute.
When Clancy gets done zip tying stuff.
Alrighty, we're wrapping things up. Abdul is zip tying away. Professional installation by us. Pretty easy. We'll try out these lights here shortly. I'm gonna go do family stuff, but Abdul is gonna button some things up.
Gonna keep grinding away, son.
Abdul's always game for the grind.
Oh yeah. Don't call me Dirty Pete for nothing. Just kidding. Nobody calls me that.
We call him Baby Hulk because he's so strong. But little lights look pretty good mounted under here. We're gonna have some inside the bed lighting from inside here. You can't see it from back here, which I like. Same with this. So should be pretty sweet at night, all lit up. We also have a sneak peek of some projects right there. Those are different paddles, different big paddles.
Now you have two sets.
Now we got things in the works, places to go, people to see.
All right, guys. So we got everything tidied up underneath. Now we're gonna get to the hard part, which is the wiring. A lot of people get scared with it. It's not that hard. So let's show you what we're gonna do. So lucky for us, Mike has installed this little bus bar that has a positive and negative bar. And that's what we're gonna hook our wires up to. So in this box, we have these wires now. And black is gonna go to our negative, which is our ground. Red's gonna go to our positive, which is our positive. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut these back a little bit, just because they're a little long. Go ahead and get this ready. Open our little bar there, and I don't know if you guys can see very well, but scoot you a little closer. So, nope, you're gonna have to stay out here, buddy. So this is the hardest part of the whole thing. We're gonna go positive right here at the bottom. The negative up here. We're gonna cut that wire, same length, it's about right there. This wouldn't be that much different than hooking them up to your battery. You just literally hook one up to your positive, the other one up to your negative. So pretty simple wiring that they sent. Boom. Give them the old tug test. Close our bus bar. And that's it. That's it for your wiring. Now you just have your on and off button that you can click on or off. And then everything else is app controlled. So let's find out how to do that, because I've never done it. Alright, so these lights come with two ways to turn them on. We just got that wired up. We flipped our on switch on that we're just gonna tuck in this box. So they send this remote that you can push the on and off button, and then you can choose what colors you want. But it sucks trying to keep track of this thing, so chuck it. Just kidding. Throw it in the glove box. But it also comes with an app. I don't have it, so let's download it real quick. We'll go to the App Store. And we are gonna search for Lotus Lantern. Or you can scan the QR code. I'm just gonna search Lotus Lantern. First thing that pops up, baby. So we'll just go ahead and download it. Do the face verification. So once it's done downloading, we will hit open. And I think it's linked. Let's check this out. Oh ho! All you had to do was open the app and it's ready to go. So check this out. We'll go ahead and flip the on button and our lights turn on. And we can go ahead and choose what color we want. That's cool. I like how it's reflecting off the rim. But that's how easy it is, I guess. Let's see what we can do with the style. White strobe. Fast. Slow. Oh, that's really slow. Fast. Let's see. Red strobe. That's cool. But yeah, guys, that's how simple it is to install these and use them with the app, I guess. So if you guys are looking for some rock lights or any kind of lights, hit up LED Factory. Let's go check out their little pamphlet. They got stuff for all sorts of things: motorcycles, Jeeps, trucks, and a lot of their stuff's universal. And it seems to be pretty easy to install. As far as a review, we got to use it first and then we'll give you guys a review. So we'll put them to the test, see how they work, and we'll let you know how they do. Thanks for watching, guys.
So thanks for watching and follow along. We'll give you a full review at night when we get to test these out fully in the snow, recovering somebody, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Actually doing cool stuff, not just install videos.
Yeah, I'll finish her up, Clancy. Have fun.
All right.